back, man. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little cold start with my I got an aftermarket exhaust, AFE powered exhaust. Here you go. Hold on. Damn, it don't want to cut on. Man, Christine got the seat all the way to the back. Let me see. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? I'll let the window down so y'all can hear it. Y'all hear that? Alright. Bye. I'm back, baby. We on the road. But like I was saying, man, I got 20-inch wheels on this Jeep, and I got mud tires. Not all terrain, I got mud tires. So I got a 20-inch rim, wheel, and a 35 tire. And it rides smooth to me, you know what I'm saying? It's got a little bit of what would you call that? Drone, maybe a little, like a little, it's got like a little hum, but it ain't nothing that's irritating, because 9 times out of 10 when you driving, you're gonna have your music on, so you're not even gonna hear the hum like that. I missed giving the dude the little Jeep thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm new to the game, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's not like a terrible hum. You probably can hear it too. It's like a little bit of hum. No, also you hearing that light on the light bar on the top of the Jeep. It vibrates when the wind hit it so much, it be vibrating, so you can hear that too. So 9 times out of 10 when you get the light bar, you're gonna hear that more than you hear the wheels anyway. But you can hear the wheels when I'm slowing down. It's like a ooh, which it's not nothing irritating. Turn that off. I hate that. If anybody got the new Jeeps, don't y'all hate this little thing when the Jeep turn off when you stop? I hate that, man. That can't be good for the Jeep. It can't be good for no car. It keep turning on and off. How is that good for the car? Yeah, oh, it's not burning any putting any pollutants in the air. Okay, but it's destroying your starter. You destroying it. No, but maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. Maybe it's not. Let me know in the comments if it is or ain't. But yeah.
When I'm stuck at a train, I always try to turn it off.
You stuck at the train? Yes, when you use it. Yeah.
You're sitting there for a while, just let it turn off.
Oh yeah. But yeah, I think the ride is smooth myself. It ain't the smoothest ride, but if you're looking for an aggressive look, you're gonna have to give up something. You can't have an aggressive look and a super smooth. Oh, I want an aggressive look and I want the smooth ride. No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't want a smooth ride if you want an aggressive look.
I don't think it's bad.
It's not bad at all. I don't know why people say, oh man, don't get no mud tires, because they not really, you know, you're gonna get all that drone in and all that. It's gonna be vibrating. You're gonna hear the wheels all day. You ain't gonna hear the wheels if you listening to music.
People say don't get a Jeep anyway because it's a rough ride. Remember, everyone was telling me that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like people say don't get a Jeep, it's a rough ride, it's gonna beat your body up.
Yeah, they did say it was gonna be a rough ride. It's gonna beat your body up. It don't beat my body up. Hell, we drive semis and that's a rough ride, boy. You bouncing around on that air seat. Shh, boy, I tell you, you're talking about a rough ride. That's a super rough ride.
It's not as smooth as your car, obviously.
No, it ain't gonna be smooth as no
luxury or a sports car,
sporty muscle car, performance car. It definitely ain't gonna be smoother than that. It ain't gonna be like that.
So you're checking the Jeep.
She's checking out the Jeep. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, we did it again. Look at that SS Trailblazer.
I don't blame you, girl. Yeah, I don't think it's bad. I think people over exaggerate and try to talk me out of it. Glad I didn't listen because I love it.
So you love the Jeep? Yeah. Do you want me to put you on camera, Christine? Because look at that.
Sure don't.
That was a Gladiator right there. Well, I would put Christine on the camera, but she's still camera shy.
You can't look at me and drive anyway. I
can do that.
No, pay attention to the road.
Yeah.
Try to stare at me while I'm talking and hit a family van.
I wouldn't do that. Come on now. I can drive with no hands. Look at that bug. Look at the 300 though. He got it funked out with the white lip on it, with the black wheels with the white lip. Let me give y'all a little close up on that bad bizoy. See it?
It's okay.
You can't tell him nothing. I bet you can't tell him it's only okay. Like, you tripping. Let me show you the details in this. But yeah, it's not a rough ride like that on 20s and 35s. Hell, I want to get a bigger tire than that.
These are 35 by 12.5.
Yeah, these are 35 by 12.5 tires. What's the name of these tires? I'll put the link in the description because I can't remember off the top of my head. I cannot remember, so I apologize. But I will put a link in the description so y'all will know what kind of tires I got. They got the bikers out here. You know what I mean?
It's too cold. cold for that. It ain't that nice.
Yeah, I might get my bike out today and hit a block or two.
It ain't that nice.
You notice he got the big boy Hummer right there. I see you.
That's what I wanted back in the day before Jeep.
Yeah, we was gonna get a Hummer before we got the Jeep. We was gonna get a Hummer. H2. I would have been pissed because they just came out with a new Hummer. I'd have been real fried in the head right now if I would have bought a Hummer and then they come out with a new boy like that. I can't afford the new boy anyway. But I'm just saying. I had a burp right there. But yeah, the ride is nowhere near as bad as people make it out to be. If you want mud tires, get you some mud tires, man. Don't listen to what nobody say. The ride ain't like people be, oh, it's terrible. It ain't terrible. It's nowhere near terrible. It's actually pretty comfortable. Like I said, all you gonna hear is the little vibrating of the tires, and you're not gonna hear that if you listen to the radio. You're not gonna even hear that. And after a while, guess what? You're gonna get used to it, so it's not even gonna be a problem. Get what you want, man. You got a vision for your Jeep. Build it how you want to build your Jeep. Don't build your Jeep to somebody else's specifications. If they want to get a Jeep and not get mud tires, tell them go on to the lot, your nearest dealership, and buy your own Jeep and build it how you want to build it. Because you're going to build your Jeep how you want to build it. That's why my Jeep look like it look now. Looks magnificent. Off the chain. One of the best looking Jeeps in this area. Because it's built the way we want it. Correct, Christine? Look at that Jeep right there. Ooh, he killed it. And you know he got mud tires. You can't tell me them wasn't mud tires. Oh, that was a she? My bad. She got mud tires, you know? But yeah, the ride is cool. Plus I got this exhaust on here too, so. Ooh, give it a little bit of gas. I gave y'all a little pull right there, man. A little bit pull. And plus, when it's all said and done, a Jeep ain't even aerodynamic, so the ride ain't never gonna be good. It's fighting against the wind when you driving. It ain't aerodynamic. So you getting a Jeep for what? To look big, cool, and mod 9 times out of 10. But some people don't mod their Jeep. That's a nice Jeep right there. They want 33.9. I'd to get that. I wouldn't get it myself. Let me stop lying. Let T-Lite stop lying. If it ain't got a 392 on it, I'm not getting it. But that's a good deal for a Jeep. 33,000. That Jeep was in good condition and it came on wheels. Can't beat that. But yeah, it's another Jeep. She just copped that. Can't tell her nothing. What's that? A Jeep 4x4 Sport Renegade? Gotta be. Or a Cherokee Trailhawk. Yeah. But if you're gonna spend your money, spend it how you want to spend it. If you get some mud tires and you don't like them, guess what? You can always go buy another set of tires. Somebody will buy those mud tires off you. I guarantee you they won't sit on your page wherever you're selling it for long. Because there's always somebody looking for mud tires. But yeah, build your Jeep how you want to build it. Like I said, I love this Jeep. Y'all seen my Jeep. I put a circle view of my Jeep. I give y'all a well, I forgot what that thing's called.
A B-roll?
B-roll. Get him, boo. A B-roll. I give y'all a B-roll of how my Jeep completely looks. A walk around for us older folk. They all get a walk around, you know. A little slow measy. It won't be that slow, but it'll be slow because I'm walking around it. But I'll let y'all see what my Jeep look like, man. And maybe you want to mod your Jeep and look at something like mine or whatever. I don't care. It's a compliment to me. But yeah.
We can link the hood and the light bar and stuff in the description below.
Yeah, I put a link to every mod that I got on my Jeep. I'll try to put it in my description. You can click on that link. I do get a little bit of money if y'all click on the link. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. But it don't charge y'all nothing. It just help me out, help my channel grow. You know what I mean? So I will definitely put that in the link. And I also got a video of every mod that I put on my Jeep. If you browse my content, you'll see the Jeep video where I put all my mods that I put on the Jeep so far. I got many more mods. Probably gonna end up doing some mods today, to be truthful. I got a couple mods I'm gonna do today and make a video, let y'all see it. Nothing much, you know what I'm saying? Not every mod gotta be super expensive. I'm saying it's some inexpensive mods that make your Jeep look more expensive. You just gotta know how to build your vehicle. If you build your vehicle to your specifications, how you want it, it's always gonna look good. It's gonna look worth way more money than what it is. I know, I did it before. So, but yeah, this is how I ride. So let me give y'all a quick little pull again. I don't want to get too close to the Bonneville, you know what I'm saying? And they may think I'm trying to run them over or something. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. I wanted to give y'all a POV in the Jeep and let y'all see what it's looked like in the Jeep with me driving. Because like I said, this is the new body style Jeep. Everything here is the up-to-date body style. This is not the old. This is a JL, not a JK. Not saying anything is wrong with a JK, because JK Jeeps, all Jeeps are nice, man. I'm just saying for this particular body style, anybody was wondering, like, dang, they don't look like the regular Jeep. This is a JL, not a JK. Got the screen in it, the different steering wheel, all the little gadgets and stuff in here. The vents are different, the whole dash, the gear shifter's different. I'll give y'all a review on it. I'll review this Jeep and let y'all see what it look like, what a JL look like inside. I'll give y'all a review, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all see what the differences is, because my sister-in-law, she got a JK, right? Yeah. And maybe I'll pull up next to her one day and I'll give y'all the differences video, let y'all see what the differences is, you know, and that's dependent on her. She may not want to do it. I always find somebody else with a JK. Hell, I can go to the R&B and find a JK and do a review like that. But hopefully this video was entertaining for y'all, man. And matter of fact, hold on, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. I'm gonna do the outro the right way. You dig? Bop. Yeah, man, like I was saying before I bopped y'all, hopefully this video was entertaining to you a little bit, helped you out. It was they gave you some info about it, you know what I'm saying? Informative. I couldn't get the word out. That's why I got Christine with me, because I couldn't get the word out. My mind got a squirrel inside of it, and it's running around. And my brain sometimes it freezes up. But yeah, hopefully this video was informative, helpful. Showed y'all a little bit about having 35s, 20-inch and 35-inch, or 20-inch wheels, 35 tire with the 12-inch width, correct? 35/12s is what these are, right?
12 and a half. 12
and a half, actually. 35, 12 and a half is what I got on this Jeep. And the ride, like I said, is definitely not a bad ride. It's a pretty good ride, actually. You're gonna get a little bit of vibration because you got the big mud tire wheels on it. I mean, tires. But that's okay. It's not big enough to not get the Jeep, make your Jeep look good. But with that being said, I'll leave y'all with a little bit of positivity. Always be yourself no matter what, man. Be happy with who you are. Be happy in your skin. Don't worry about what the next person talking about. Get what you can afford. Be yourself. Don't be walking with your head down. Keep your head up, man. And always believe in yourself. The sky is never the limits. You can be whatever you want to be, but you got to put the work in. And with that being said, it's your boy, T-Lite. Shout out to the werewolf gang. Much love to the light crew, and I'm out this piece. Jitty.
Be the fam, that's what they call me.